cassette, no CD, no DVD. Selfi TV, River Rave. If you never come here on a beard.
But then we work with Selfi TV, the house. Deal with them.
All of them is Skeng, say, hey, bro! All of them want to take no form of violation, so Rasta! All who know, so River Rave, one of the baddest parties for keeping out Jamaica. So big up OG! Skeng! Don't worry, Pablo, you messing everybody. Maybe you get make some nice some of the one. Hello, mate. That's why they had one day now you're placing up as a winner.
Wow, what an incredible night. On behalf of myself, Selfi TV boss, and the entire team behind River Rave, I want to extend a massive thank you to each and every one of you who came out and made this event truly unforgettable. And well, right here at River Rave, you've shown that the spirit of unity and celebration is alive. To the legendary Shukkle boss,
Freestyle!
Extra Pepper, True Talent, and Trending Entertainment. Your energy and skills kept the people dancing all night long. Thank you for bringing the fire and the energy. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep the good vibes flowing. Peace, love, and music. See you at the next River Rave!